Welcome to this informational video dedicated to the design, planning, and construction of a desk cabinet built in the industrial style. This style incorporates straight, symmetrical lines and traditional oak wood, reminiscent of early 1900s mission architecture, combined with industrial iron and metal accents. It's interesting to note that the dual galvanized metal relief pieces mounted on each side of the cabinet were taken from a 1940s era library table and modified. This cabinet was built to accompany a small home desk I built previously. If you're interested in the desk, please refer to a small article published online in Woodworker's Journal. The cabinet is comprised of 4 flush-mounted drawers of different sizes. The cabinet top provides an ample working space. However, pulling out the top breadboard-style shelf expands the working space considerably. The bottom drawer is devoted to a standard filing cabinet drawer. The cabinet is 18 inches wide, 24 inches deep, and 30 inches high. My plans provide detailed measurements for those who are interested. The majority of the oak used in the cabinet's exterior came from 6 old 12-inch by 54-inch table leaves. This dense mid-century oak is very heavy. You can even see the sawmill marks on the inside surfaces. The shell, or the exterior of the cabinet, uses tenon and mortise joins. The top of the legs are reduced by 1/2 inch on the 2 outside edges of each leg and 5 1/4 inches down from the top to accommodate skirt and molding, which goes all the way around the cabinet. I cut a dado in the front and sides of each of the legs to serve as the mortise for the components to slide into to help complete the join. The back is constructed a little different from the other 3 sides. It still maintains the skirt at the top, but the dado cut in the legs are much shorter. I used a biscuit joiner to assemble and glue the top. I added a 3/4 inch band of oak to the edge of the top all the way around to give the impression that the top is 1.5 inches thick. Now that the shell is completed, I needed to build an interior skeleton to support the drawers and create the drawer guides. I like to place a current year coin somewhere in the piece. Here I put a 20/20 corner in an obvious position in the back of the cabinet. The owner will always know how old the cabinet is and what year they got it. You can see the interior scaffolding. Notice only the drawer guide for the breadboard shelf is a pre-built metal guide, and the others are all old-fashioned wooden custom guides. The reason for that is that the drawer fronts are flush and there isn't enough width to hide the metal guides.